Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about Open Usage, which is a tool to track your AI usage. So this supports any AI coding tool that you have, like Claude Code, Codex, anything, and it you don't have to sign in with it or anything like that. It just works. So I'll show you my AI usage. So yeah, here it is. So it can show Codex, Cursor, Open Code, and Grok and Cloud. So I didn't sign in to any of this. It just takes my config from my local machine, I think, and it shows everything. So how much I've used and how much left there is, and it gives me notifications for if it's going to be reset, or if it's going to be over or something. So it gives me good notifications on that, and it's very helpful if you have multiple subscriptions going on. And I have like three Codex plans, so it's easy to switch between that, and it's easy to track here everything that's going on. So yeah, it's called Open Usage, and this is the website for it. So go ahead, try it. It supports all these things. So if you use things like ZA or Cursor, even it has everything. So it's good on that, and it's very useful, and it looks good too. So yeah, try it out and let me know what you think. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.